furnace? You okay back there, buddy? Whoa! Ooh, I'm in a cave. What's that? Little hideout. What do you think about this? No. This is a dying furnace in Cumberland Gap, Tennessee. Probably can't see me because it's dark. Probably can see me a little bit better over here. Okay. Well, let's go test this thing out in the water.